Welcome to Howmuch POS, your complete retail solution. Monitor sales, expenses, products, and returns instantly from your intuitive dashboard. Our Reports section provides deep insights for data-driven decisions. Our All Reports page centralizes all vital business data. Easily access categorized reports on sales, inventory, and financial health to drive efficient operations. Unlock precise performance with the Category Sales Report. Filter by order status to reveal sales trends, gaining insights for optimizing inventory and marketing, driving profit and satisfaction. Our intuitive calendar lets you set custom dates for precise sales tracking. Eliminate guesswork and gain accurate, time-bound insights to inform strategic business decisions. Explore your chart of accounts for a complete financial overview. Apply date filters quickly with the intuitive calendar to pinpoint transactions in any period, enabling precise financial monitoring. Easily search and reset filters for flexible data analysis. Once reviewed, easily close any report. Manage accounts receivable efficiently with the Customer Due report. Select a customer's email to instantly see outstanding balances, boosting proactive follow-up and cash flow. Quickly filter customers. Then, review categorized operational costs in the expenses report. For a complete financial view, the General Ledger offers chronological transaction insights. The General Ledger's intuitive calendar allows you to specify custom date ranges, filtering financial entries for accurate auditing and planning, with easy search and reset for flexible analysis. The Item Purchase Report summarizes acquisitions for inventory and supplier tracking. The Item Sales Report offers advanced insights into product performance, returns, and discounts, enabling smarter strategic decisions. Optimize procurement with the Order Purchase Report for purchases and payments. The Order Sales Report provides full visibility into customer sales, enhancing overall order management. Unlock key profitability insights with the Profit and Loss Report. Easily manage tax compliance and accurate records using Sales Tax Report Items and Sales Tax Report Order, simplifying your preparation. Manage your vendor relationships and obligations using the Supplier Due Report and Supplier Ledger. These tools offer transparency into payable dues and supplier transactions. The Supplier Ledger streamlines supplier transactions and payables. Our integrated reporting delivers actionable insights for all business operations.